In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable Microsoft Excel autocorrect feature. If Excel keeps changing the way you type, you may want to turn off the autocorrect behavior that automatically replaces certain text as you enter it. Disabling it can make your spreadsheet notes more consistent with what you actually meant to type, especially if you are entering names, codes, or specific terms. To begin, look at the top left area of Excel and click the File tab. The File tab opens the Backstage area where you can access settings for the entire application. After you click File, take a moment to look for a section that includes options or preferences, usually located toward the bottom of the screen. Next, click Options at the bottom left. This opens the Excel Options window. This window is important because it contains the controls for proofing tools, including Autocorrect. If you do not see the Options button immediately, make sure the File menu is fully expanded and that you are on the correct page. After that, in the left menu inside the Excel Options window, click Proofing. Proofing is where Excel stores settings related to spelling, grammar, and text corrections. Moving to this section ensures you are changing the exact settings that affect autocorrect, rather than other unrelated features. Now click the Autocorrect Options button. You might see it listed within the proofing area. Selecting this button opens the Autocorrect configuration window, which gives you access to the specific rules Excel uses to replace text while you type. At this point, you should see a list of options related to text replacement. Once the Autocorrect window is open, uncheck Replace Text as you type. This tells Excel to stop automatically replacing what you type with the alternatives it is programmed to use. You are turning off the real-time behavior, so the moment you save and close, Excel will no longer apply those automatic replacements in the middle of your typing. After you have removed the check mark, click OK to close the autocorrect window. Closing it confirms that your selection is stored, and it returns you to the main Excel options screen. Take a brief moment to ensure the check mark is gone and that you do not need to change anything else before continuing. Finally, click OK again to save changes in the Excel options window. This final confirmation applies the update to your Excel settings. You might want to briefly test it by typing something you previously noticed being changed. That small check helps confirm that the behavior has stopped exactly as expected, and that covers everything you need to know. By turning off Replace Text as you type, you can prevent Excel from automatically correcting or replacing your entries and keep your spreadsheet text exactly as you intended. And that is all there is to it.